Jesus was standing on the shore of the lake watching the people pushing their way towards him as they wanted to listen to what he had to say. He saw two boats pulled up on the beach where the fishermen had left them as they were washing their nets. Jesus climbed into one of the boats which belonged to a man named Simon, and he asked him if he would row a little way from the shore. Simon agreed, and when they'd gone a short distance, Jesus sat in the boat and spoke to the crowd. When he'd finished speaking, Jesus said to Simon, "Row the boat further out into the deep water, and you and your friends can let down your nets to catch some fish." Simon answered, "We fished all night long and caught nothing. But if you say so, I will let down the nets." They rowed out into the deeper water and let the nets down, and to their amazement they caught such a large number of fish that the nets were about to break. So Simon shouted to his friends in the other boat to come quickly and help them. They filled both boats with so many fish that the boats were about to sink, so they had to row back to shore as fast as they possibly could. When Simon realized what had happened, he fell on his knees before Jesus and said, "Only God or someone full of God's power could do something like that." Jesus told Simon not to be afraid and explained that he had lots of work to do and that he needed some help. But he told Simon that from now on he'd be catching people, not fish. Simon and his friends James and John were amazed at the huge number of fish that they caught, and they knew that Jesus was a very special man. So they pulled their boats up on the beach, they left everything behind, and they followed him.